Welcome back to Backyard Science. My name is Kendall and this is Joe.
And today we're going to be showing you laminar flow. For today, you'll need some electrical tape,
A balloon.
and you'll need some parent supervision because we're going to be using a knife today.
You're also going to need some water.
What is laminar flow? Laminar flow is when the liquid is all moving at the same velocity and has the same pressure. So what this will look like, it will look like the water's not moving at all. And the opposite is turbulent flow. And that's what we'll mostly see coming out of all our taps.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to fill our balloons with water. This might be easier to get a friend to help you with. Joe, turn it on.
Once the balloon is filled with water, you're going to want to grab your electrical tape and tape a hashtag onto the balloon. And you're going to want to make sure that the square in the middle of your hashtag is pretty small because the cut that you're going to make is going to be small as well. Speaking of cuts, when you make the cut, you want to use a really sharp blade, or your parent's going to need a really sharp blade. So you're going to need an X-Acto knife or something similar. Thanks for watching the video.
And if you liked it, like and subscribe to our channel.
Make sure you give that bell a ringle dingle.
And we'll see you next time on Backyard Science.